Okay folks, today I am going to be unboxing the Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer. I purchased this, my wife and I should say purchased this. The video hasn't been sponsored, so I'm really excited to get this thing out of the box, take a first look at it and show it to you. So without any further ado folks, let's get straight into things here, shall we? And straight off the bat there is an envelope here that contains a quick start guide. Now you definitely want to keep this safe. I know that most manuals for technology usually end up in the bottom drawer, never to be seen again. Keep this thing handy. It's got a lot of good tips in here, cooking instructions, things you are going to want to have close by. Now this thing does have quite a bit of weight to it, so to get this out of the box, now that I've opened the top, I'm actually going to tilt the whole thing upside down. Probably should have opened the bottom first more than anything. And then we can take the box off the actual air fryer itself. There we go. Try and make some room. Let's turn this back over now, the right way up. I can already tell before completely removing the packaging that this air fryer is a bit of a beast actually. It's definitely, you know, a pretty big size. So yeah, it's going to take a little bit of working out where we're going to store this in the kitchen. But then I suppose it replaces your oven in many ways, doesn't it? So oh, there's lots of tape on this thing. It's all coming off though. There we go. I think that's all the packaging removed, at least from the outside. I'll check inside the drawers in case there's anything sneaky there. So number one. Oh yeah, there it is. Tiny little bit of plastic there. I hope that's nothing important. And here's the first drawer. So it has the grill plate in the bottom, and this is large enough, by the way, this drawer, to get up to a 1.5 kilogram chicken. If you want to roast a bird, you can absolutely do so using this air fryer. One of the things I'm looking forward to testing out, to tell you the truth. And then we have the second drawer as well, again with another grill tray in the bottom. These grill trays are identical, by the way, so it doesn't matter which goes in which drawer. Now it does also include the temperature probe as well, so that's wrapped up on the side, but it plugs into the front here. Just obviously it's very easy to use them, so I'll leave that there for the time being. But folks, that's pretty much all there is to it, so no assembly required at all. It's all in one piece out of the box. I'm looking forward to getting this plugged in, cooking some dinner and putting it through its paces. I will be making more videos on this air fryer from Ninja over the coming days and weeks, so make sure to stick around if you want to see those and to see it in action. Until then guys, have a great day.